Alright everybody, good morning. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday morning. Going to do a amp test here. Got a moth flying around in here. But going to do a little amp test here. Show what this 4-pill standard 2879 does. With sideband, there it is, labeled from Fatboy. AM in the up position, middle position's off, and then down low will be sideband. Going to drive it with the little 2-pill 1446 on low. On high it does around 200. On low around 140. We may bump it up once and just see what this thing will do with that going into it on high. But I really recommend just Cadillacing it around 140, 150 watts. You know, if you gain 100 watts, so what? Not a big deal. It's not really worth the strain. So 150 watts or so, plenty of drive for these standard 4-pills. Again, people do more, and some people want to see that 1,000-watt mark, and you know, more power to them if they drive more into it. But I recommend about 140, 150 watts, PEP. So sideband delay here. Working the way it's supposed to. And then AM, I don't know if you guys can hear the difference in it there, but you can. There's a distinct difference with the delay and just in AM mode. Testing it here, power supply set on 14.8. That's fine. We'll leave it there. Not going to hurt it. If 0.3 of a volt was going to hurt it, then we would need to reevaluate anyway. So I recommend 14.5, but testing it here, that's not going to hurt it. Okay, let's see what kind of amp draw we're getting. Oh, 70 amps. That's right there within range of what we want to see. Not too much and not too little. So drawing 70 amps, that's pretty good. Again, this is on low going into it. We'll come over here to our watt meter. Check it, 1,000 watt slug, bottom scale. Peak kit is turned off, so we're looking at average power. Hello, just shy of 400 average, about 390, 380, and now we'll go to PEP. Radio check, radio check, radio check, radio check, audio, radio, audio, like 795 watts, I guess, audio, radio, 1, 2, 3, audio. So doing right around the 800 watt mark. Good average power, good peak power. What we'll do just real quick, just for the sake of testing it, I'll turn this guy on high. Again, everyday talking, I would just run 140, 150 watts in. But we will go ahead and test it and guess a little stress test on it here. Turn our radio down. I remember my little driver now. I remember why I haven't been testing on high, because it does its little relay issue. It's having a little trouble there wanting to click and cut up on me when I run it on high sometimes. But we're just testing, so we'll test it real quick, see how it does. So really didn't make a difference on average. Shows about the same. And let's see if it changed the PEP any. Hello, audio. So it come above 800 just a little bit on PEP. So what that tells me is, you know, you're just as well off to run it on low and let it do that 390. 380, 390 average for 800-ish peak, and let it rock on. Should be a real solid amp. I don't remember what he's going to run into it. I really recommend these for Striker 955s, 655, stuff like that. These standard 2879 4-pills, they really do good with the Strikers. They respond well. You'll see anywhere from 600 to 800 watts out of one. So maybe even more sometimes. Some people say even more. Just depends. There you go, man. Adam, I appreciate it, man. I hope you like this amp. Nice running 4-pill here. Should last you a long while and do you a good job. Appreciate your patience. As always, questions, comments, complaints out there, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Friendly reminder, running one of these, SWR needs to be a 1, 3, or below. And try to stay around 14.5 volts. You know, probably don't go over 15 on one of these guys, but try to hang around 14.5 if you can. All right, guys, have a good one out there. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.